Hello everyone, in this video I will explain about noun. Noun phrases are groups of words that function like a noun. Typically they act as subjects, objects, or prepositional objects in a sentence. While that might seem tricky to grasp, the best way to understand these useful phrases is to see them in action. Let's take a closer look at the foundation of these phrases and nouns, and explore the different ways noun phrases can be used. Most noun phrases consist of at least two elements, unless a noun is used in a generalizing sense. See these articles. A noun group consists of at least the following elements: a determiner and a noun. A determiner is one of the following: an article, for example, the, a, an, some, and any. A quantifier, for example, no, few, a few, many, etc. And then a possessive, for example, my, your, whose, the man's, etc. And a demonstrative, for example, this, that, these, those. And also a numeral, for example, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And the last one, a question word, perhaps, which, whose, how many, etc. Here is examples: the man, some women, a few dogs, your horse, the man's horse, that car, whose money, how many bottles. In this example, the man's horse, there appear to be two determiners before horse, but in fact there is only one. The determiner before horse is the man, and the article the is the determiner of the word man. And now, many noun phrases also include modifiers. A noun group can also contain one or more modifiers. What is modifier? So, a modifier is an adjective and an adjective phrase or an adjective phrase, a secondary noun, a prepositional phrase, or a relative clause. The principal noun in a noun group is called the head noun. Adjectives are placed before the head noun, as in The Great Gatsby. Adjective phrases usually come before the head noun, as in a black and white striped vest, a rather tight-fitting dress. Secondary nouns behave exactly like adjectives and come before the head noun. For example, a beer glass, the police inspector, a London bus. Prepositional phrases and relative clauses follow the head noun, as in the students in our class, or the girl who gave me her phone number. Put all these together and we get a complex noun group, such as the nice old-fashioned police inspector with white hair who has drinking his beer was Mr. Morse. And the last one, some common exceptions. Sometimes an adjective or an adjectival phrase will follow the noun, or appear to do so. There are three cases that need to be noted. A very few adjectives also follow the noun: concerned, in the sense of being talked about, and involved, in the sense of participating or being present, are the two common ones. Other principal adjectives, other participial adjectives such as left, remaining, missing, appear to be used as adjectives that follow the noun. In reality, they are elliptical forms of a relative clause that has become reduced to a single word. A Adjectives follow the noun when the adjectives themselves are past modified, defined by a following phrase. Examples: There, there has been an outbreak of flu, but there are only 15 people concerned. After the fight, the police arrested the man involved. Or, oh look, there is only one chocolate left. We can't cook yet. There are still 3 people missing. There was a crowd bigger than last year.